Hey everyone, can hear those buses? Well, that's actually a beep-up water truck, but buses are passing by here too. I'm outside the new Terminal de Autobuses Zihuatanejo. It's the bus station. It's the new bus station for Zihuatanejo. A couple years ago when they tore down the old bus station, they put in a Shadrawi and they built this new one, so that'd be cool to go check it out. Allie and I have taken the buses a handful of times, so great. We've never taken a bus out of this new station. In the United States, if you take the bus, something terribly wrong has happened. But in Mexico, the buses are really, really nice, and it's a great way to travel the country. There's about 6 different companies that operate out of this station, and the cost ranges anywhere from about $200 pesos to 1,500 pesos, depending on where you're going. And generally, for like Acapulco, I think it's maybe 220 pesos. I mean, it's 250 pesos in tolls just to get to Acapulco. So if you're by yourself, it's cheaper, and it's only maybe 30 minutes longer in time to take the bus there. Allie and I took the bus from Tallahassee to Orlando about 10 years ago, and it was one of the more miserable experiences of my life. If you've, I lived in Florida for 4 years, and I really enjoyed it, but there's a reason Florida man is a meme in Florida, kind of a cultural thing, because there's a lot of things that happen in Florida, like Florida man calls police to report his stolen drugs, or Florida man loses arm trying to ride an alligator. When we last took a bus, we took Estrella de Oro, and that's actually located just across the street from the new bus station. So it's located right here, and we'll run over here and check it out real quick. Los Galgos is also part of this Estrella de Oro. I guess that's another bus company, I believe. This is right by Estrella de Oro, and I don't know what this is, but there's no buses here. So who knows? Xena bus. There you have it. The Zihuatanejo bus station. I'll keep ringing the bell that if you have not taken a bus in Mexico, you're missing out. It's actually a great experience. They have an argument for the best bus system, or the nicest buses, I think, in all of the Western Hemisphere, the Americas for sure. And it's really easy to use. As you can see, you just go inside and pick your destination: Acapulco, Mexico City, Guanajuato, León, Querétaro, Celaya. You know, you can go all the way up to Puerto Vallarta or down to Oaxaca. So definitely, it's a great way to see the country. And thanks for watching. All right, guys. We'll see you around. Take care.